Hi guys, welcome to Tuko Bites. I'm Chef Rachel.
Oh no! Hi guys, welcome to Tuko Bites. I'm Chef Rachel, and today I have my friend here, Abby. She'll be teaching me how to make one of our favorite dishes. If you're new to this channel, remember to click the button, subscribe to our channel, like and leave a comment at the end of it all. So I'll let Abby take us through the ingredients and tell us what she'll be preparing for us today.
Today we're making carbonara. Carbonara, it's only 7 ingredients, 20 minutes. It's so easy to do.
Yeah, it's so easy to do. As you've been told, 20 minutes. Carbonara, basically it's the normal spaghetti with other ingredients that they're just going to show you in a few seconds. So let's Abby have the floor, and I'll be waiting to test the dish.
Yeah, you can go there too. As I mentioned, it's only 7 ingredients, so easy. Here I have some spaghetti, some bacon over here, an egg, garlic, parmesan, some salt and pepper to season. Let's get started. Now I'll start by prepping my ingredients. Here I have my garlic, and I have a little hack for you. The key here is to be very violent to your garlic. So I'll just go ahead and crush it like this. Use your hand at this point, just get the job done easier. Just like that. I'll use around 2 cloves, so just like that. So here's the hack. You're just going to press your knife very hard on the garlic. This will help it open up easily, and I'll just begin chopping it now. Now I'm going to cut the garlic into a small dice. By the way, here's another chef tip. When you're cutting garlic or onions or anything, make sure you hold your hand like this. This helps you not get cut, and it gives you control. Just like that. Then I'm going to set it aside in a bowl and move on to the bacon. What I'm going to do to the bacon is I'm going to cut it into fairly small strips, just like this. Now I'm done chopping the bacon, and I'll set it aside in a bowl. Now I'll move on to my Parmesan cheese over here. For the cheese, you're going to grate it. So here I have a grater. I'm going to get around a handful of cheese. This really depends on your taste. If you want more cheese, you can use that. If you want less, you can reduce. And I think that's enough. Now that all the prep is done, it's called, this is a French word, it's called mise en place. It means having everything together. This also helps you can prep earlier, put everything in the fridge when either you're having guests or it's in the morning or it's for lunch. You just put everything on the stove and you get started. So for now, we'll go ahead and boil our pasta for around 8 minutes. Now we've come over to the stove and we're ready to cook. Now, once you're here, things need to move quick steps. Don't take long. So here I have my water. It's already boiling, but if you don't do this next step, tutakosana hapa, you see you have to season your water, just salt. So I'm just gonna add like a teaspoon or 2 in there. It needs to be very salty. Then I'm going to go ahead and drop my pasta in. This type of pasta, spaghetti, will take around, I would say, 5 to 8 minutes, it depends, and you need to cook it until it's al dente, meaning, it's another Italian word, it means that it's not fully cooked through, it has some bite to it. So when you add it back into the sauce at the end, it won't be mushy and it'll still have some texture. So we'll just go ahead and drop it. Okay, now our pasta has been in for around, I would say 5 minutes. And it's almost there, just almost there. So now I'm going to get my other pan on the stove here. It's been heating a bit. I'm going to drop some oil in. Just a bit, because remember the bacon has fat in itself. So we'll start off by frying our bacon. Now my bacon is almost fully cooked. I'm going to add in my garlic now. Just for a bit, you just want to sweat it and release the flavor. Now let me check on my pasta. Yeah, it's there. Remember when I said you have to move quick steps? Now our bacon is fully cooked and it has a bit of color on it. We're going to take our pasta out here and drop it directly into the pan. Once all the pasta is in, add a bit of the water that you boiled it in. And then you turn off the heat. At this point, it's not yet carbonara. We need to add some egg in. I already have my 1 egg here beaten in with the parmesan and just a bit of water. So at this point, you want to add your egg in very quickly and stir. It's smelling nice. Oof. Ooh-wee. So now at this point, you want to season. Just a bit more salt because the cheese already is salty enough and the bacon. Just a bit like that. And some black pepper. Just go ahead and mix it up for the last time. Can you believe that it only took 10 minutes from starting of boiling my pasta and putting it together, and it smells delicious. I hope Chef Rachel will enjoy what I've done. So I'm going to go ahead and plate it and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. Chef Rochelle, I hope you're ready for this meal.
Oh my God, looks so nice. I can't wait to dig in.
Yes.
As in, I'm salivating already. So, guys, this is it.
Yeah, I'm serving it with a bit of white wine. And I want you to try it.
Yeah, so you have options. If you don't take wine, a glass of orange juice will always do. So don't bother yourself so much about it. So in my case, if you are like me, of course you can take wine. Orange juice is ours. So the meal looks so nice. This is a good job, Abby. I like it.
Thank you.
The presentation is amazing. Now I want to tell you how it tastes. So let's cross our fingers, but I believe it's good. So I want to have a bite of everything. The bacon, the cheese, it's creamy nicely. It actually looks perfect. So Abby, the flavors are well balanced. The meal looks so appetizing. Trust me, this is what I would love to eat today, and thank God I have it today. And for you, please try it. Send us a picture and tell us what more you'd like us to prepare for you next time, and we'll definitely do it. So I hope we'll see them next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.